My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are related to the site Declinerybelfa.buzz. So this is something new that has attacked my computer recently. In fact, it was today. Declinerybelfa.buzz is a deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on a special allow button to make you subscribed to its multiple ads that will be shown in the form of push notifications. If you have clicked on allow, then definitely your browser may be in trouble. You'll be facing a lot of ads, so you need to deactivate these ads by accessing the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go to Permissions and now choose Notifications. Pay careful attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. You need to remove all these junk sites which may be causing such troubles. So carefully get rid of all of them. I also recommend that you thoroughly research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating your computer to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.